So here in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to delete YouTube application on Android. So let's get started. So for that reason, first of all, you need to open up the settings. So go to the settings and now simply scroll it down until you find the apps. So here is the apps option. So you need to select this one. Now wait for some time to load all of the apps and then simply go with the search button and simply search for YouTube. So we will go with the YouTube like that, and here is the YouTube. So select the YouTube. Now once you have done to here, you will probably find this disable option. So once you tap on the disable and once again disable, then the YouTube is now disabled or installed. So if you go back and try to find out the YouTube, as you can see, there is no YouTube right over here. And also let me just search for the YouTube. Sorry, YouTube. And as you can see, it is not there. So that's how you can simply delete YouTube application on Android. So I hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.